Hello, I am Pankaj Sharma from PM Expert. In this video, we will understand the difference between an image and a container in Docker. First, what is an image? Think of it as a blueprint or a recipe. It contains the code, libraries, and configuration. It is read-only. We can write image equals code plus libraries plus configuration. Here is the intuition. The recipe tells you how to make a cookie, but you cannot eat the recipe itself. The recipe is like the image. Now, what is a container? A container is the running instance of an image. It is dynamic and writable. It is the actual cookie you baked. We can write container equals image plus one in state. One image can start many containers. Think of one recipe producing many cookies. Let us show that visually. Here are the key differences side by side. Image is static and read-only. Container is dynamic and writable. You usually keep one image, but you can run many containers at once. Final analogy. The image is the game data on your disk. The container is the game running on your screen. One game file can start multiple play sessions. That is the difference between images and containers. Thanks for learning with PM Expert.